Hi everyone! Today we're diving into the form of construction in electrical panel boards, as defined by IEC 61439. Essentially, it's about physically separating internal sections to improve safety, reliability, and maintenance access. In Form 1, there is no internal separation. Bus bars and units are all together. Form 2 introduces separation between bus bars and functional units. In Type 1, this is done via insulation, while Type 2 uses rigid partitions and barriers. Form 3 takes it a step further. Here, functional units are separated from each other and from the bus bars. This limits the spread of faults and ensures that terminals are kept in a separate compartment from the units. Finally, Form 4 offers the highest protection. It provides full separation of every functional unit, including their individual terminals. This allows for safe maintenance on one unit while others remain live, often featuring individual neutrals for maximum safety. Choosing the right form depends on your safety and maintenance needs. If you found this technical breakdown helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.